For the banana mango bread, we're using flour, eggs, baking soda, milk, Greek yogurt, butter, baking powder, baking soda, overripe banana, mango. No sugar at all. Sugar-free bread. In here I have 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm mixing everything together. You can add salt if you want, but I'm not because I'm salt free as well. The mangoes were cubed, put in the oven to roast to take out the moisture and enhance the sweetness of the mango. I am going to toss some flour on it to coat it, so this keeps it moist and keeps it in together in the bread. In this bowl, I've mixed the eggs, the butter, banana, the mashed banana, yogurt. I've combined everything. Just keep on mixing to make sure there are no lumps in it, and then I'm going to just add the dry products to it. In here I have the dry and wet mixture together. I'm going to add the mango to it and then put it in the oven, transfer it into my baking tray and bake it in the oven for an hour or whenever I think it's done. Then I put a toothpick into it and it's clear. Mango going into the batter. I'm so excited. I love mangoes. So I'm sure this will be a fantastic bread. I'm salivating already. I wish I could eat this mango. This is just, I'm resisting it. A lot of mangoes, lots and loads of mangoes in this bread. Mango has been added. Can you see the chunks of mango? Oh my gosh. I can't wait for this bread to be ready. The mangoes look so delicious. Banana mango bread, no sugar. Okay, time to move it into the baking tray and let's bake for an hour. We're good to go into the oven now. I decided to use a square baking tray rather than a loaf pan for this banana mango bread. I'm sure it will come out so well. Okay, we'll take a break now and we'll come back to you when it's all baked. Okay, the mango banana bread is done. I think the oven was a bit too hot. You can see the cracks, but notwithstanding, I don't think that will affect the taste. It is well cooked. I just tried it with my toothpick. It's all clear. So I'm waiting for it to cool down and I'm going to have a lovely slice with a nice cup of tea.